Hi guys, in front of me is Realme C55 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. You just have to open this keyboard panel, and once you want to change the letters, change the dictionary, tap on settings icon, select languages, click on add keyboard and pick the one that you wish to apply. So as you can see, you will be able to find a lot of languages here. Just pick the one that you wish to apply either by scrolling, or you can use this search area and the top of the list. But let me apply, for example, Arabic. Tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language if you wish, and then go back and use this brand new language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.